Every student in your school, college, or university has a right to read their curriculum resources in a way they find accessible. Accessible reading has a profound impact on students' education and well-being. This is especially important for students who are dyslexic, vision impaired, or have other special educational needs that make it difficult to read text in a printed format. EasyReader Premium enables your students to read their curriculum resources independently in a way that is accessible for them. An education plan provides a flexible reading accommodation so students with a range of educational needs can read with their choice of text size, colors, and voices.
There was one on the house front immediately opposite.
Save time for your team by making it easy to deliver accessible learning resources. Students can access over 1 million education titles from Bookshare, RNIB Bookshare, CELA, Legimus, and other accessible library services around the world. Students can also open classroom files shared by teachers using Google Classroom and Microsoft Education. Bridge the gap between reading at school and home by making your students' book list. Reading positions and accessibility preferences available across all devices. Empower your team to embed accessible reading throughout your setting. Create as many logins as you need for your students and teachers. Measure impact with insights into reading activity and share online CPD training to enable your team to confidently support students with accessible reading. Take the first steps to make reading accessible for your students. Sign up for a free 60-day trial at yourdolphin.com/EasyReader-Premium.